Everything is normal. Nothing's going on. Keep going. I might be losing it. Good morning. Hi friends, how are you? Well, today I'm determined to have a normal day. What does that mean? I don't know. Is it the new normal? Yeah, maybe. But in my mind, I'm saying to myself, everything is normal. Nothing's going on. Keep going. I might be losing it. In just a little bit, I gotta run to Walmart to do a pickup. I've had Instacart deliver everything. And we have a system. Everything comes through the garage and gets put on a table. We put it out here and kind of...
Let it have its time.
Yeah. So we haven't taken a paper towel and putting this on it. It takes care of the one strand of the coronavirus. So we kind of just wipe down the outside of everything and just let it sit. It's still cold here, so it's okay to have like the, you know, the veggies out.
Refrigerated needed stuff. I mean,
yeah, I mean that stuff, but it'll be okay. We're just gonna let it sit out here for a little bit because we wiped it down, and then we'll put it in the fridge and bring it downstairs. But
I did not wipe the food down.
What food?
With that stuff.
Oh no, no. So I opened the garage to Instacart and the people and tell them to go just put the bags on the table, and then we'll come out and do all the rest. And it's working out good. So this is the first Walmart pickup that I've actually done in a very long time, actually. I'm gonna run to the post office. I have to mail out something to a family member. Like, I can't wait. So I've got gloves, I got a mask. So we're gonna do that. I need to go to the bank. Yeah, and I just thought I would take you along today as I tried to feel as normal in this unnormal world that we live in. Okay, my freezer is like full. I tried organizing it. In that freezer mail video that I just did, the takeout ones, I was saying that sometimes when you use honey and things when you freeze meals, it'll still be a little gooey. Do you notice that? This has been in here for days. The chicken is fully frozen, but this is still kind of like, it just does that. You'll be fine. So, do I want the honey sesame chicken tonight? The sweet pepper chicken. Ooh, the sweet teriyaki chicken. I think I want the sweet teriyaki chicken. And then, oh, they all sound good. I think I'll do the sweet teriyaki chicken, yeah. So this is gonna end up cooking for 2 to 3 hours. So, well then 2.5 after you add the other stuff like the cornstarch and water. So I'm gonna thaw this out in the microwave for just a little bit, and then we'll get it in. Okay, it's broken up. It's still frozen, but I can get it in the slow cooker. It'll just cook a little longer, which is fine, because this cooks fast and we're nowhere ready to eat. So I'm gonna pour this in. This smells so good. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be yummy. It goes on low for 2 to 3 hours, but it'll probably be like 4. So it's just on low. I'm gonna let it do its thing. It smells so good. I've got a bag of mixed veggies in the garage of broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and squash. And it's such a good medley. And I think with that and some rice, that's some good Asian takeout right there. Have you thought about dinner tonight? If it's not still too late to get something going. It's so cold and windy and cold. I got these masks from Bridget from sexymodest.com. I need to adjust it. I have a small head. So, but at least I have it for things like this. We're keeping a box of gloves in the car for gas and stuff, and I keep a mask in the car. Is gas cheap where you are? I know where my parents are living in Raleigh, their gas was like around $1.50 something. This was premium and I paid $2.30. The regular is $2.01, so that's low, $2.01, but man, I want to be down in the dollars. All right, heading to Walmart. Okay, there's a lot of people here. I forgot to add my mascara on. I was wondering why I looked a little different. I'm like, oh, I forgot my mascara. If you're wondering, it's the Lash Next Door from Brooklyn and Bailey. I love this stuff. I haven't been out like this, you guys, in weeks. Weeks. Like, just getting in the car driving felt so weird. Pumping gas felt weird. We haven't pumped gas in a month. Almost a month, I want to say. Oh my gosh. It feels good to be out. Being careful, but it feels freaking good. When I get home, I need to make birthday signs for Oma, my mother-in-law, because today is her birthday and we're doing a birthday parade in front of her house with the cars. Yeah, I know you guys are saying, stop touching your face. I can't help it. I'm always touching my face. It is what it is. So these are the masks. They're reversible, so you can do either color on each side. And so I just have such a small head. This one's not too bad, but it shouldn't do this, but I could tighten it. I could fix one for me. I'll have Derek help me. So I got one for each of us in the family to have. So, all right, I'm gonna wait for Walmart to bring me my stuff, and then I'm going to the bank and post office, and then I'll be home. Okay, so we got Canadian bacon for breakfast freezer meals, hot dogs, cheese. This was what I got at Sam's Club the other day. It's still out here. Half and half. I only asked for one, but I got two. And then I only asked for one steak rolls, but I got two. I'll have to put one in the freezer. Hot dog buns, clams for clam chowder, and onions. But, oh, and eggs. 2 boxes of eggs. So, yeah, I got double, half and half, and rolls. So, I'm going to have to find another recipe to use the half and half in. Yeah, I wanted the steak rolls because we're having the French dip sandwiches. So, and I already thought, well, whatever we don't use, I will freeze. And now I have 2 packs. Oh well. Oh well. Well, I didn't get to go to the post office because I forgot that Boston had a tutoring on Zoom call that I had to get home for. So that's a bummer. I'm going to try to get back out later after we do the birthday thing for his mom, the parade, which is good because the box that I brought for the post office won't fit the stuff that I got to send out to somebody. So I'll search my garage for a better box. Yeah, so now I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. There's dishes that need to be done, so I'm gonna get that done. So when Boston's done with his tutoring, I'll get the kids down here and we'll all make signs for Oma. All right, while I was gone, the kids made their lunch and now I'm making mine. I'm gonna have a burger. So I just threw a frozen patty. It's one of the sirloin burgers from Costco, and I'm gonna make myself a burger. I think Derek ate too. I better go double check, but if he didn't, then I'll cook him up one too. Okay, my burger has barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, those maple bourbon pickles, red onions, pepper jack cheese, and lettuce. Oh, barbecue sauce and mayo is, yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna dig into this. I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten breakfast, so this is breakfast and lunch. So I am just going in now and kind of breaking up the chicken with this big spoon. And then I'm gonna put the cornstarch water mixture in. Let it get thick, and I'm gonna put some rice in the Instapot and get the veggies going, and we will be ready to eat. Either before or after we do the parade. Either way, the food will be ready. All right, we got our sign made. Paige is excited. She's coming too. Cute.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday, Mom. All right, the chicken is on warm. The rice is cooked. It's just in the Instapot off with the lid on. That'll stay nice and warm. And then when we get back, I'll heat up the vegetables and we'll be ready to go for dinner. And then I'll clean up. I haven't even hit this yet because I was working with homework and helping with the birthday signs. So my goal is that before my head hits the pillow, that those dishes will be done. And so All right, let's go. Come on, Paige, you wanna go? Oh, let's go surprise Oma with a happy birthday. All right, we're plating up. Here's Shaylee's bowl. We have the rice, the chicken, sweet teriyaki, and the medleys. We're gonna eat this and watch some TV.
For the Disney Family Sing-Along. Welcome, everyone.
Got troubles. I've got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together and can see it through. 'Cause you've got a friend in me.
It's 11:50 p.m. and I finished with all the dishes. Feels so good. And I was able to get through the majority of it while Marco Poloing my friend Candace from The Simple Life. And she is so freaking adorable. She used to be Fancy That with Candace. She's adorable. I'll leave her channel down below. I absolutely love her. Thank you, Candace, for keeping me company and helping me cruise through some of that. Oh my gosh. Today felt good because I was able to go out and feel like I was in my normal routine running errands and things. But I didn't get to go to the post office or the bank. So I'll be doing that tomorrow very carefully. Utah doesn't have a mandatory stay in place, shelter in place order, but it's highly, you know, suggested and things, and people wear masks and gloves. And there's a lot of people out there. Where they're going, I have no idea. There was so much traffic. Plus I live now in a very like populated area, but I'm just like, where are you guys all going? Like, what are you doing? I've been trapped in my house for like weeks. I've had things delivered to us if we haven't gone out. And one, too, because, you know, protecting others and protecting Derek's health. But I'm just like, so getting in my car today and driving was weird. I was like, how do I drive my car again? But it felt good. It felt good to get in the car and run an errand and just get out. And we go out and we go walking a lot. But I might need to get in my car once every few days and go for a drive to feel a little normal, because that felt really good. So I did an Instagram live with you guys the other day, and I was saying how I don't have anything to hold me accountable in the morning. We have our routine, and if we wake up late, we just jump right into where we are and where we need to be, and then when we're done with school, we work on chores and things. But I have nothing, like, I set my alarm, but there's no, you know, we gotta make the bus, or the late bell is gonna ring, and things like that. Like, there's nothing to hold me accountable. So it's been very, very hard in that sense to wrap my brain around. And so I thought for sure I was gonna love this staying in the house for weeks. And because I'm such a homebody, you guys, I do love being home, but I'm also an extrovert and I need to be out and do things and see people. But I was actually looking forward to just being in the home. But I do much better with a lot on my plate because I'm more goal oriented, and like, we've got a project, we got to get it done, we've got these timelines. I do better that way. So not having any of that has been really hard on my brain. And yeah, so I need my normal back. I know it's not going to be the same, but I need my normal back. And the other day while I was editing, I have to have like background noise, either music or a movie that I already know playing in the background to help me stay focused. And I put on Groundhog Day. I'm like, oh my gosh, how funny, Groundhog Day, because it feels like Groundhog Day, right? And I started watching, listening to it, and I couldn't do it. I had to turn it off because I'm like, we are living in the movie. We are living in our own Groundhog Day. I had to turn it off. I thought that was pretty funny. Anyway, how is your normal going? Your new normal? Are you trying to do and keep things to make you feel normal, let me know what you're doing down below. Thank you so much for joining me, you guys. I hope you're doing good. I pray for you all the time. I think about how you're doing, where you are in the world, and Derek and I, we definitely think and pray for you. So hold on. So, all right, thank you for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Bye.